Hey, so I'm gonna replace the handles on an old wheelbarrow I picked up for free. So you can buy the handles at your local big box hardware store for about 30 bucks. I got mine at Menards for $30. So here we go.
First, you need to remove the old handles and parts. Be careful with some of the parts as they will go back onto the wheelbarrow. The handles and supports under the handles will be discarded. I bought new bolts for my assembly because they were very rusted. Pay close attention how you assemble the old parts, as the new parts will go on the same exact way. Once the old parts are removed, you can then begin to reassemble the new handles. I had a friend helping out, but it isn't needed, but it did make good company. I first started by assembling the bracket on the front of the handles. Then I focused my attention on the wheel mounts. Next, I tipped the wheelbarrow on its side and focused aligning the bolts that attach the handles to the bucket. You have to align the bolt, support, and handle at the same time. It is a bit tricky, but once you have one bolt and it's a breeze. Now I tighten the bolts on the wheels. I should have mounted the stand while mounting the handles, but it actually was easier to just remove the nut to mount the bracket, as it was hard enough to align the handle and support.
And there you go. That's how you quickly rebuild your wheelbarrow.